quick background on myself before I get to talking a little bit about the product. Retired 20 years in the Navy as a Chief Warrant Officer. Most of my background was in special operations. That's an EOD operator. So like with anything in special operations, you've got limited stuff you can carry. You got to get small, multifunctional is always best as well, if you can do that. So like I said, EOD is not new in special operations, but it's new to some. Okay, 12 gauge disruption is not new to EOD, but it's new to some. Old disruptors, this used to be the industry standard. This is 7 pounds of stainless, okay? Now, as an EOD guy, you have to carry maybe at least one of these, okay? Sometimes you have to carry two, so 7 pounds each. It doesn't really fit in a backpack either, so what are you gonna do? You gotta suck it up somehow. What I designed, something that's made out of titanium, that's 7 pounds, 2.5 pounds, as capable if not more, but also it breaks down. Much easier in a backpack, put it in a cargo pocket, whatever it is, super light. The challenge with titanium versus stainless and the weight is get it down to as much titanium as possible so you still have a functional tool, but it's so light so it doesn't explode. Because some of the rounds they put in, it's 12 gauge round you put in, but they're specialized 12 gauge rounds. You might get PSI up to 50,000 PSI in the chamber here, so you don't want to turn that into a pipe bomb. So this is the Titan. So if the video works, I'll shut up so you can watch the video. No video? No video. Okay, all right. No worries. So that was it. I didn't want to bore you with too many slides, but I'll talk more about it. There's about 12 different 12 gauge rounds you can put in this thing. If you're going after a pipe bomb, if you're going after, say you can't get an X-ray, you have to shoot blindly into a package, you load this thing up with water. It's a water load, so you just go up to it, place it right down there, and let it eat. Okay, you always count on a detonation, but hopefully it doesn't happen. So there's different approaches to taking care of IEDs, whatever it is. In special operations, this thing's multifunctional. You can put a blasting cap in here. If you have 2 blasting caps, it's a collapsing circuit, not getting too much detail. You can put one in here, cut the other one outside here. If this one goes off, no harm, no foul. It'll be loud as crap, but you're not gonna get hurt as long as you're not right behind it. So they might be trying to work up the video. Another capability working on, making this, there's underwater threats as well. In fact, this is titanium. You can't corrode it, don't have to really wash it, but it's gonna go underwater and shoot those underwater threats. Believe it or not, there are underwater threats. Any questions? Until they start cranking on that video, hopefully. It's a cool video, you gotta see it. I mean, this thing's getting shot about a dozen times, hauling ass, so. So like I said before, so at the very end was the blasting cap in the barrel. So you saw the bobblehead right next to it, 6 inches away, didn't even budge. Put it behind it, that hurt a lot. So that's how robust this thing is. This is a smooth bore normally. This is all nothing but smooth bore. But this has rifle extensions as well for greater accuracy. That one does not have that capability. So that's the Titan in a nutshell. It's also robot compatible as well.